Mwasibi mcha mwena abatulaba nze Jona Sentongo maniriza ate nate ku mukutu gafu omungazo gwa Tindi Files wene yakatwenga kogenda ddala mu maaso n'okubanga ate osubscribinga n'ensibuko y'ebirungi ate era n'ebyesanyu. Well, olunaku olwaleero tukoledde wano ku Kisa Wellness Spa. Yes, abalina abeetaaga services nene ez'enjawulo, massage, scrub, byonna ebigenda ddala maaso mu spa osobola okubanga ate obatuukirira ddala wano eno Bukoto nga wakava ku Bukoto Apartments. Olunaku olwaleero twegaatiddwako artists ow'amaanyi nnyo mu bakyala, none other than Karole Kasita. Well, tugenda kuba ate tuwayamuko olunaku olwaleero atubulina okubuulira biki music bwatya bwamutambuza. Alinawo n'oluyimba olupya olugenderera ddala maaso n'okubanga ate lukolera ddala bulungi aka Feffe. It's a nice tune.
Thank you.
You're going to be telling us more about it.
Choka mugama chi abali ku Tindi Files.
Tindi Files.
Yeah. Mole bolonji soga Karole Kasita. You know me, I can't take Jona serious because so siba friend na ngasunyika mulanga ali wano ngayekaza mangi obakati tugenda kwogera kuchi neka tugezeeko tubawe kuchi bozi
okimanyi na kirowoozezza
nange nozi kati Jona agayo naduka nekalize mambuze ebuzo kati mtu nyoni Jona agakumanya ki
nekaza ntya natandika ntya okukaza
tasobola.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
You're looking good.
Thank you. Thank you.
To the people.
Hello, abali ku Tindi Files soga Karole Kasita. Mama Sita a King Mama live on Tindi Files. Nice to be here.
Wow, nice to host you as well.
For the first time.
Abantu babadde bakinsaba for such a long time. Ndowooza mukama akadde akageze. Keka n'akatuufu.
Yeah, probably.
You're well to go. Anyways, how is the music industry taking you so far?
So far it's so good. This year is so good. We are doing so good. And I have a lot of good things coming, Mama. So very good music, fresh music. So just know, I have a lot coming up this year. Music is good and it's going to be good.
Kaseera kano wenjogerera. Politics ayina engeri gyayingidde into the music industry. Tikati olaba abayimbi essaawa zino mutandise okubanga nammwe mugenda okubanga mufuna ebifo ebyo agafa ago. Emabega kaawo nalabye mu Kibisadaati aganaga yali yesimbyewo Kawempe naye kyamukisa bubi bambi yasobodde kubanga akola ki ayita.
But he tried.
Yeah, we saw Shakira naye uyo yazze kubwa MP
Ewa
Makindi. Ensonga eno gyogerako ki? Artists getting into the music in the political side.
I think as long as you do what you tell muntu amanyi bantu sometimes ng'abayimbi. I think it's abafuna ekinyegenyege kiyo kyokwagala okola ki okuyamba abantu nasalawo beesimbewo because omuyimbi bweri wakaawo anakunyumiza emboozi zaabwe ekimu ekyo bayiseemu tebalina mmere ate gundi abadde kino ate gundi adde kino ate tetuweeyo kino so oba omanyi embeera y'abantu whether you want to know it or not.
Okay.
So for them, I think bokwesima balowooza bwe baneesimba they'll be able to help abantu bano through the right channels. So I think it's okay webeesimbawo.
Okay. Mu mbeera ng'eno waliwo omukulu omu ayina akabira kakulira eyo sijja ndowooza kubanga ate siŋŋanya erinnya lye wano. Waliwo akavidiyo akamu akalabiddwa ku social media. Abantu omanyi babaako n'engeri gye bawanda ebigambo ku bintu bye baba balabye. People were like gwe tewayagadde kubanga ate omubuuza olwa political side ye gy'aliko. Ensonga eno gyogerako kye mwasinkanye kabaga akamu ke mwabaddeko.
Ugandans, let's not do that. Please. Let's not do that. Me, I do politics. Then I politics ekwata ku muntu. Ekwata ku bulamu bw'omuntu, ekwata ku muntu. Ensanga omuntu ng'ali awo wansi nga kyetaaga nja muyamba. But politics bwakyo wogamba mbu I will hate the other one because of this. I'm not like that. Era nze obutabuuza boss oyo, I swear to God, namubuuza in a way if nobody's focused nakola halo. Ncheka dwe balabawe but nali because we are today waliwo mukulu pastor nga sasa amwisaako nnyo ki ngalo yana nakoma ne kamera nalinzize leeti bangamba yitawo tuule ate ndi mukubuuza kati njagala mbuuze buze mangu nkole ki nfune wentuula kati nakasana buuza pastor oyine mugamba halo kati bo kye balaba kyekyo nze namubuuza naye era naba nenyuma naye emboozi the whole time twanyumya emboozi the whole event I was talking to him
together. You know that the event by broadcasting live.
Yeah, the whole event nasigala njogera naye tunyumya naye nga mugamba tumufuwe because me I'm not like that. What he believes in, maybe it will change tomorrow. Maybe he will wake up tomorrow nga akkiriza mu maanyi gaaki ag'abantu. So nakufa kulaba mbu nno omufaana mukwano gwange ne munyonyola ekituufu other than hating on them. Okitegedde nze kye ndowooza.
Regardless ezo nsonga ozitadde wali osuubira bino ebintu tebireetewo okwawukana mu bayimbi kangeze nti oli wa kibiina kino oli wa kibiina kiri kind of ate nga mubadde mukolagana mubadde mulina enkolagana eyawamu.
I think kiva ku ntegeera y'omuntu. Kiva ku ntegeera y'omuntu because tetugenda ate kwekyawa twetugemu kubanga we don't believe in the same thing. I think the more we get together and explain to each other what the real thing is, because now abantu abali weli side no bamanyi amazima bagamanyi but they choose not to do what's right. Okitegeera, or maybe they choose to do what makes them comfortable. So maybe my job is to make ubakakasa mpocho mulaga mbu sikolagana ki
sikolagana naawe
ntulako naye ne kuba tewalawo kibande yambuuza mbu naye mani ebintu bino ebya politics biki ne mugamba naye mukola joyisa ejjoliko okola byaki nagabadde omuntu baavaayo atya okitegeera that it should be about preaching the truth than hating on each other.
Sure. Okay. Essaawa zino abayimbi mbalaba mwagala okuba nga mufuna copyright ku music gwe muwa abantu. Emabegako awo omuyimbi omu Eddie Kenzo akolera ekibiina kya Federation yagenda n'asisinkana president nekiwa essuubi lingi nnyo eri abayimbi ne music industry okutwalira awamu nti mugenda kuba mufuna okuddibwamu oba okuba nga ebbago linene lya copyright liteekebwa mu nkola. What's your say about this? Ddala kyetaagisa abayimbi okubanga muliira ddala ku music ne mwerabira the other side of bars, DJs. Kuba obaolyawo I think abantu abasinga bagenze okubanga bategeera ennyimba abayimbi ze mubayimbira through bars and DJs. I think this is like leaving out DJs on the other side. Okyogerako ki?
Me, I'll have to understand what was amended, so I can have a say. I don't know what was amended. I don't know if it's going to help us or affect us. So I will not speak about it nasimani.
Eraga nti bars are going to be paying artists for your music. DJs okubanga azannya oluyimba tebalina n'obuntu bebajja okubanga basamba effebyo okumonitoringa like ennyimba zammwe engeri gye ziba zizannyiddwamu.
I think kigenda kutuyamba nnyo n'okukola music omulungi kubanga already we are begging DJs to play our music. Imagine they asked not to play. They'll be like, whoo, my name come ayebali. You understand?
Yeah.
So that means you'll have to do a lot of good music that they have to die. Causing an amendment, buli bar or bar should play this percentage of Ugandan music. If it's in there, we are good to go. Because if it's not if there's no clause where ekulagira music goyina kuba bweyenkana muwendo, then we are finished. Because even the nice music right now tubegayiro mukuba. You can beg bambi my song is out wakalabyeko mbye lagwa piano then kusawa ngayo nga 10 ngasawa yo nga 12 nakubira ku luyimbalu just akulage clip nti nazanye. So I think we shall have to do a lot of good music for us to be happy about the copyright.
Ku nsonga endala bannange abantu basusse okubanga bakulingiriza nnyo onto your relationship side. Kiki ekigenda mu maaso?
Me, I've never come to the audience nebagamba nti bba wange wuno. Sivangayoko nebagamba tinna n'omwami. Sivangayo nengamba abantu nti I'm in a relationship. Okay, maybe nachogerako nebagamba sijja mubalaga. Yeah? Nebagamba he's there but you will never know who he is because sagala kola ki mubalaga. I think it's why they badly want to see who that person is. Nebambi, Ugandans, take a break. Mondeke. There is too many couples that can actually concern you. Nzali atabalaga musajja chuma yakulaba Wange. Akutsenza ali single lwaki munemera ko.
Oba oli awo olina gwe wali obalazeeko n'obakiina mu konti.
Never. The soccer and band okulaga omusajja gwenye naye because people are very judgmental and they'll have an opinion on everything that are in people's lives. Like ojamulaga omusajja ayagala okugamba mbu gwafunye nga mumpi. Gwafunye ng'ebigere bikozewo ebiti. Mwagala mbuzi oganda mufuna simulabye. So I don't want to show them who I am dating. It just gives me peace.
Okay. But with time, are you going to show the world the person you're dating?
I think a time comes you're feeling nejja nga owira love ekususseeko. Nogaba nange.
Sajja kave
mu gallery. No.
Kave mu gallery.
But for now, temugenda kunkaka.
Awo nno wennyingirizaamu emboozi egendera ddala mu maaso ku mukulu gwe basportinga out Feffe Bussi. People like Feffe Bussi came out with a song, the interview, n'akwegaana, yeegaana n'omwana.
I think what he said in that song, everything was the truth. But Ugandans are funny. Feffe kenyini yangamba mbu yamala okuteekayo akayimba ke. Ngo namugamba mu comment section. Tata King wakubye hit.
Can you imagine?
Ate nga bagambe siyo Tata King. The comments kept calling him Tata King.
Tata King.
So he nagamba, I don't know what I'm supposed to do to make these guys understand.
Hey, Wange.
Kati nange Wange nga banda bangamba. Pastegedde ka Tata King ze Tata King kati muzaala ddi.
And they were sticking onto the same thing.
So both sides they are commenting like Wafani Mugamba, they're still calling him Tata King. My fans are saying now that he's not the father. So when are you guys going to give back like to your own kid like Mwembi? But Ugandans, please take a break. We need to breathe. Like Twitter moving to Binji, although we need to take a breather. Like you cannot come from the whole marathon of studio shows, and you come to your socials, like this and that and this and that. But today, but I'll set one record straight.
Okay.
Feffe has been my bestie for a very long time. Me, I have, you know, get a blog here because I've never said this anywhere. Yeah. Me, you know me, I hang around boys only. And me, I always have male besties because they keep me away from men. So when a man sees you with a male bestie, they'll assume that bestie is actually your what?
Your boyfriend.
Your boyfriend or your man. That keeps them away from you. And even if Olumo Bangamba, your man is there, and I will not deny. It depends on where I am. I won't deny because maybe him being there is saving me from kungamba chi oba kunkwana omaleke emirembe jange bale nsaga ntya kunkwana. It makes me very uncomfortable. I want to just be there and live my life like and be happy. So having a male best friend most times she's protecting her from all that energy, like all those guys coming all over you and flooding you and they. So every time they say that's your boyfriend, I'm like, yeah, cool, we good. Yeah, cool, we good. Yeah, cool, he the one, we good.
Hey, yeah,
because tukuze, he also needs to have a life of his own.
Okay. Anyways, how is King doing?
King is okay.
How is your experience being a mother?
It was easy at first, but now it's hard since King wakes up at 6:30. When he wakes up, I have to wake up. Oh, I slept at 4. Oh, I slept at 3. Oh, I slept at 5. 6:30, mommy, wake up. And it's a must. The bad thing is he'll come and wake me up and then tell me, sleep. Because because he will see that I'm getting him and I'm like this, hi King, I'm tired. Can I please talk to you? And he'll be like, okay, mama, sleep. It's not easy, but it's interesting. It's a good experience.
Yayimba ku nnyimba zo.
Zonna. He's my biggest fan.
Sure.
He'll wake up and start screaming cuckoo cuckoo when he has just woken up, like mama cuckoo cuckoo, mama cuckoo cuckoo, mama cuckoo. Then when you give him cuckoo, be like oh Taro. He's too much. And then one thing that I think Chasing Hogala videos and that he sees around to money like ngaba fake. So abayagala kulaga mami Uncle Fig. Yeah, I think chimu surprising and abantu bala okutibata balaba around him sometimes. Yeah.
Okay, as you're winding up, let the people know about the project that you're having right now.
Feffe is out and it's out everywhere and it's trending. Echikubye. Check it out on my YouTube channel. I do my challenge on TikTok. I love you so much. Bye.
Ye kati nnyo. Nalabye okoze challenge n'abaana nobawo buteteeyi. Modo.
Modo wange amankwala gyonna.
Modo n'omwambaza akateteeyi ne 10 n'omuwasikaati.
10 muwala.
Anti agamba atugamba anku
10 muwala.
Ebyaddala.
10 muwala. Era yangamba yeja nangamba kale mpulira sinyumye. Yagala yakasikaati kemba kwera mu challenge nga katabu.
Modo wamunyonyelesezza ekiwato.
Yakyenyodde Modo mulala. Modo badde nkwagala nnyo. Thank you for pushing my song. May God bless you. I'm so humbled. Thank you for loving. Bambi angamba muwala wange. Bonnanga okuza akayimba
aka. Ayina geja kuira sima Karole Kasita.
Muwala wange. She's a big fan and I'm so happy that I work with her on my song and it's doing well now, partly because of her.
I see most of your fans out there about pressurizing, about Kivulu, Karole, tekereyo ka show. Sure, abantu bangi bagenda ddala maaso okubanga batebasa show. Gweyo yaddi, at least for this time you're so well prepared for a show. What's your take about this?
I think I'll be ready for a show once I realize that I have a following that is genuine.
What do you mean by that?
You can see that sometimes, like also kuta, let me say a song, and then you find, let me say never ku TikTok no sanga mbuno kuliko challenges nga nebera bisatu by morning. Bobanga obwota oluyimba, let me say nga ku TikTok no teka oluyimba, and then you have like at least 300 challenges by morning
made by people
nga tomaze basaba just from just saying buno song is out. That means those people are actually following you and they love following you and they love everything you do. Kati when natuka Jonah, I will gladly do a concert, but now I can release a song and then I have to remind my fans to go and do challenges. I think I will musanga mukubaga, I love your song, but then they are not doing Chenkugambye echo. Okay. Yeah.
Omanyi, today I was so surprised. I was talking to some of my friends. Where you wala? Is it Zombo? I'd set a stew somewhere. Nagamba, that is Karole Kasita. Naye ng'era olaba nti abantu babeera bakumanyi. Naye toba kyeki bakyetaagisa like for you to make up a 100% fully compact show. Yakubuza who is Karole Kasita. No, yagambe that is Karole Kasita nga akumanye bulungi amanyi music wo ekiraga nti fani wo. Naye ate ogenda n'otunula ebiseera ebisinga ku bantu abategeka show. Yes, abano obuwagezi mu bantu bagala music we n'ategeka show ate ne bako n'engeri gye disappointing amu in one or the other. I'm glad I did silence your phone. I did my Chekecha concert and people came. But I still felt like it was a power of the artists who were on the song. You understand? Which was a very good thing, and I appreciate them because and it's a very good thing. But now I want to be able to see that I can release a song. A lot of I've seen that before.
a lot lukuba maybe sinaddamu kola luyimba olwo nga lwa solo osobola okuba n'amaanyi ago nti it's released today and everybody loves it tomorrow. But still, even when I've got that before, I've got that love from people, but I still do not see that love. People can love the song and not get attached to the brand.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, people can love your song ninga gwengo omuntu tebamanyi na bufana tebanakutegeera that means I need to work so hard to make sure ambono zenga Karole nyinyikira mu bantu nga ojeka music. Maybe they have to get attached to my character. They have to get attached to my life, the real life. Yeah, and
the
then
real life of
Karole, and then maybe then we can start to have a family. Then we can say now family, Karole's family, we have a concert.
Let's talk about the music that you produce. Music okola mulungi nnyo. And what does it take for you okubanti or releasing out a song? Oluyimba olunga oli so sure lugenda kwennyikira mu matu g'abantu bajja dwagala. You with your team or the management kiba kigenda batwalira mmwe okusortinga out ekyo ekirungi ekigenda okuba nga ate kinyumira abantu.
Most times music would follow me and say musalawo. It's only like 2 or 3 out of the music songs that I released that have been decided by the manager.
Okay.
And most times those songs may not work as well as the ones that I've decided to send out. Because I'm a fan of music. I can know a nice song because I love I can hear it. I can know a nice song. So before I release a song, I have to be a fan of that song. That's what I can. We must see ragala so aduta. Bwendo agala. It's how to go.
Chogamba solo bela or no kolorima no tegera nti ejabba hit.
All the hit songs enter. Bela nchimanyi hit song. You've heard there's a song I won't release next. So I'm putting on Amazon what I was telling people. I was telling in the car. Naga I'm putting on no kuza. Hit song.
It's a sure.
Because I know it is a sure hit song. I know for sure that it's a sure hit song. So I can know a hit song. And I can decide when to release it, but I can know a hit song right from studio. Band, woody, band. It starts with the instrumentation, producer, a time jam as a hit song, by the way. Temala that Sawanga start with one studio.
Yeah.
Every artist.
A few minutes.
Every artist. Nice songs can take time. You can even move from producer to producer, from this to this, like Yaka. Yeah? It was a nice song, then Mukama na nyamba ni fukanachi, ni hit song. But an automatic hit song will not take an hour in studio in Amudukola.
Why?
It will come so easy that even the fans will receive it so easy.
Like for real?
The simplicity in production, the simplicity in reception.
Yeah. Kazungu. Ayogedde.
The simplicity. Ebera omukolo oluyimbo. Yes, simplicity ebera abantu bali receiving. Like they will feel the ease.
Ngabo no gamba is a come is a go.
Is a come.
Edda anti is a come kazema ngomutwe go. Is a go kateredde abantu bakagadde baka appreciating.
It is that not singa ngabo Ayogedde no, but it's nice. It's a hit song. Okay, according to me, I've done hit songs. I've done nice songs, very many, and I know even I have nice songs like Yaka. I have nice songs like Mberamu. Yaka was a hit. Mberamu wasn't a hit. Now twalukola for a short time. I think it was supposed to be a hit. Na yete yatuukayo. Maybe because of the lockdown and all that, but balance. Binyuma. Niyo kuyitsok zange. Chekecha. There are songs I walked in studio like this. Nenyimba nefuluma. Nengamba toluta ncha. Nganange chini ninche wirante njikubi.
Omeka ti industry yaffe twafunamuko perspectives aba Nigeria bana abasiba bajja kuneno. They're like Ugandans kali bawanya amageze. Ugandan artists if you to make a hit song make sure you pass it through different producers mbwate olutwaleko ewono olutwaleko ewoli bo perspective yabwe yokubanga bo bakola hit songs ng'ate ayisemu eyo protocol y'okuba nti alutwala mu bantu ab'enjawulo abakola production yo yabeera agumidde bw'oba okirabo ky'okutwaliza wamu ku ffe wano.
That's why I said nice songs. Nakwawedde nga what nice song ne hit song. Nange nice songs zange nzinanga Baba Band. Ngana lwesamba natwala mutyo watyo entwani wa Artistry. Kuliko writer, kuliko Mudra, kuliko Ratigani, kuliko Shina Skies. Nga olaba mbuno there is the work in the song and the song sounds beautiful. Like Ulaganti Mau take a lot of what? Time. But it's just a beautiful piece. And that's it. Mutaso do this anytime, anywhere, and they will love it over and over again. And it's a Rujabeda Opaka. Because it has that touch, really different, like from different producers and writers. That is a nice song. Nigerians are not wrong about that. Nice music here, over no more time.
Okay.
Roja kawulira ogambe mbu kano kaganyemu tukawe gundi abakajamo baya abakateekamu.
Mastering akateekemu kino nakyo.
A hit song, you won't even mind what it sounds like because there is a factor about it that is just making it a hit song. Ejja kubanga ne sound yayo mufu naye okube kati nze gundi I had somebody say confess before, I think a DJ yagamba mbu olimba lwa Cinderella selector sound waro yali mufu
Nga bwagamba
ninagamba it was such a beautiful song that you would walingo lusambu what nga DJ no moving nga buno wunto nonye now sounding ngiro obulungi
ebyuma bya bibe before
I don't know ne yagamba it was such a nice hit song that you were dying to play it, that even if the sound was not top notch you were onoonya n'ogamba kanyongeze midi nkeneze gundi as long as tulukuba.
Kalongo ori expert nnyo mu bintu bya music. Wasoma music?
Why? Because I said midi.
Wasoma music?
Atika midi bukakanze.
Did you go to school for music?
But namala sometime live band. So I know a few terms. Okutanswaza mukawira I'm picking.
Tell us a bit about the live band side of you. Ebintu byalinga bitya?
It was interesting.
Okay.
Nayingira live band nga nakamala went campus nga ndaba sina mulimu gwe nnyinza kukola. Then my sister, I had a sister then yali alina boss we nga atandikawo ka band. Nangamba Karole, just go to my boss and tell him you want to join his band. Nenga ne mugamba erina bambi band ye nga terina kyemanyi nga just ye yali amanyimba ajja kukola ka band ke nga abaana alina wabateeka n'abaliisa n'abanywesa like how charity things be. Nga just oyamba buyambi baana. So me I came zenga sagala byakola ki byakunyama. Me I'd come for business,
for work.
Kati ne mugamba olaba abaana bali wano band bakabi, then we're going to have to get abantu abakuba band abaddala. Nangamba kale kati band nkufudde manager waayo. Ngamba kale band najivaamu.
Gwe kugamba you are very wajja n'ofukirawo manager. Yeah,
because I'm a businesswoman. I cannot sit down somewhere. I'm not talking business.
But over business.
It's rare, Jonah. You should try this. You should try this. But you should try this. Naturally. So me, I come into a place and I find a mess and to fix it.
Okay.
That's me naturally. So I came to the band and never. Abana bayiga buyizi bikuba naye nga sigamba nti manyi naye nga nali manyi okuyimba.
Ebikuba wali kutogezangako kubanga obaako n'ebimu byo try.
I had even never sang. Nalinga just manyi okuyimbira mu nnyumba yange.
So gwe wayimbiranga mu kinaabiro mu nnyumba, however, how was your vocability?
It was okay. I used to sing.
Omaye wetuyimbira eyo mu binaabiro oba owuliro?
Nali nnyimba. Kasista wange yali ŋŋampira era yangamba Karole genda ojoininge live band. Mange yali ŋŋampira waka nga bwe nnyimba nga she's like, you girl, you have a beautiful voice. She used to die for it.
So your mom was so supportive into your music career?
Yeah.
You know, at times most parents babeereyo nga tebawagira abaana baabwe genda mu bintu bya kuyimba regarding artists okubanga balimu emize emirala egy'enjawulo.
She supported me, but she used to also warn me. Era nga bw'alaba story yonna eri funny about me. And she calls and tells you, I saw this about you, but you be careful. Yeah, she's like that. Nayenga, she has always supported me to do music.
So kati live band ino wagimalamu for bbanga ki?
Like 3 to 4 years.
Lwava mbwa manager nawe n'ogezaako kubanga ogenda ku microphone
Kati wenatuka nalinga nyimba nalinga nganze manager ate nganze lead singer wa band nganze muyimbi omukulu mu band kati ngeringa band yange era nganze agimarketing nganze anoonya emirimu nzaako nga buli kimu kiri kunze. Everything was on me. And then we grew. I worked so hard for that band, but I did. And then at some point, I went because we're like a family. Tukula, someone to go and join different bands.
Kati ninyo kyakulikikanga kitya muli okuyimba ennyimba ezo ze muyimba ez'abalala mu band?
I was okay because I didn't have any option then.
One thing I don't know about those people that do live band. Ennyimba osooka n'otula wansi n'orehearsinga n'omanya.
Jonna, twagala kunnyonnyola endwale bulwazimu.
Otula wansi n'owuliriza oluyimba.
Jonna.
Wange.
Kati watuulanga wansi n'owuliriza oluyimba. N'omala odduwuliriza n'oluyiga kigambo ku kigambo. N'ova ku kigambo n'oluyiga nooti ku nooti. Because oluyimba obubi fani aba agamba nakyo kanyimbidde bulungi. Kubajjuka naye aba akola ki? Twayimbanga nnyimba abantu ze bamanyi naye aba akamanyi.
Okolera ensobi.
Kati Jonna, kati it's not stressinga. Mbu oyimba mu kifo kyekimu buli week. So oyimba ne fan n'agamba saakuddamu kuwulira nnyimba ze wayimba wiiki eri. Ate nga mutuufu. Yajja buli week awulira oluyimba kimutama. So you had to learn new songs every week. Natuuka nga nze mbeera mu bbaala nga sikyanyumirwa. Nga mbeera mu bbaala gya sikola ki? Kuwulira kayimba kyakaliko, kayimba kyakanyuma, ate bwe nkategeera nako kayiga, ate n'empulira yayimbye we wakyamu, ate like nga music had become like a study nga sikyanyumirwa. But I think band somehow yanchayisa n'endongo like nenjaga nnyo music ne band yantuka essira nagikola nnyo nempulira nga ne music almost sikyamwagala
nga akutamye
nga music muwuliriza kuyiga si kunyumirwa.
I understand.
Okitegeera nemani nga boss wange naye manyi tugezeeko eri kangendeko mu studio.
What was the name of the band?
S&S Band.
S&S Band. Then you hit studio.
I hit studio. Enkola gala babo nga mutwa mwewandikide naye nga ate band kye yannyamba enye gala babo namwewandika band yandaga style yange gye nina okuyimba because I had sung before but I had not sung like that. Naye nye ennyimba zange endala ninga saazimbanga bwento kati boss wange nangamba your strength is in dancehall. Olina amaanyi mangi bw'oba oyimba dancehall it comes with ease. Ondaga nti onyumirwa amazina g'ozinako binyuma. So bino by'okuyimba ennyo osooka obikole ki? Obiveeko. Don't you try and do your dancehall things oberenga ne ku band ne kuba nayimbanga dancehall music. Then ku band nga wentuuka nga bayimba byonna nenyingirawo.
Gwe oluyimba n'olukyusa n'oluzza mu dancehall.
Nga nkuba dancehall nga mbeera ne mbakubya amaziga nenzikira ne that's the band music I used to do.
Dance ekitegeeza.
No. I've never been a dancer.
Oli mulungi nnyo mu bintu by'okuzina.
By the way, I love dance, but I've never been a dancer. I've been a dancer like maybe at school, Interact Club. I've danced maybe at home, or I've danced, let me say, MDD.
But you might even have the dance language.
It's natural.
Bineno byemukola papa.
I tell you, it's very hard to find omuyimbi asobola ozina routine. Like sample can basobola okwekyakula nga azina yekka naye nga bw'omugamba mbu tukuladdeko abantu emabega tasobola kufollowinga kye bakola
yabajjabbula.
Kati me I have that strength. I think I have music discipline.
You're multi-talented.
I think because music wange gwenkola like bategeka butegesi nayiga mbuno olina okutegeka buli kimu singa nsobola n'okutegeka byenjogera saga nabyo mbitegeka
naye tekisoboka. Okay, from there tulabye Karole Kasita evolvinze afuuse omuyimbi ow'amaanyi ennyo nnyini ddala, one of the best female dancehall artists we have in Uganda. Mu kaseera kano tukulaba kati, yes, omumuli gwo ogukutte, and you've really inspired a lot of young girls out there. Omanyi babeerayo gabaagala bagamba sooka otubuuliremuko dancehall fraternity. Twafunamu challenges ez'enjawulo ng'abantu abakusookawo bo bakulabye ozze ate ng'oyokya abakusookako mu dancehall.
No, I was lucky. And also, those people, for example, let's say Cindy, I used to go and support her, like live band shows. Kati nange olumu nabeeranga awo bambi olumu ng'azze ku shows zange eza live band. So we had gotten acquainted. Nga buli omu amanyi munne, buli omu respectinga munne. And she loved me so much. I believe she still loves me so much that when I released my first song, she instead embraced me. And she gave me my first collaboration.
Wow.
Like from one single to a collab, and it was from Cindy.
Like meetings, like that.
I think we had good energies. Like we both have like good energies. And I used to support her at Auto Spa. She used to have like every live band shows every last Friday.
Last Friday of
the month. And I used to be there at almost kanabanga nina shows zange nenge mara kola nga nziruka mankozi atandika nga let kozi star fetwayimanga bine bya kacheri, yeah, like muyimba from like 8 to 11 so inamala nga shows zange wanebukoto nga nziruka tuvuga manga tugenda Auto Spa nga manyi sinda gena berayo nga I make sure bakatebo nga mulaba buli kimu kati yamala nga nemubuza today how was the show, yeah. Nangamba yedo nanga sibite nemugamba mwanange sibitegedde nga tugamba amazima like at least then my energy was low. Nangamba but you did it. Nanga no, I could feel it. Nga tuogera like girls. So we had gotten acquainted really.
Okay.
So when I did my song, when namusaba ampe collab, she was like, where? Please, just tell me where.
Olimba lwakola bulungi.
Moto. Yeah, he did well.
Bimu ki ku ebyo by'omuyigirako Cindy?
Cindy, professionalism. She was really, she is really professional, and she performances were very well organized.
What do you mean by being very
well organized? Chagendo kola chiri rehearsing. No bagenda kola what?
Aba yakiyiseemuko.
Ale kati yansinga nnyo emirundi 10 kuba yene waba agenda kola aba yaka rehearsing. The guy is okujja by mistake.
Akokukolola.
Mwana muka.
You need your artists.
Ne bajja kola ko what bali makati ga show.
Aina kakola mnatunyigira moto.
Aka rehearsing. But what I know is that we both look at Beyonce. But I did not know I didn't know how professional Cindy was until I saw that tutuniro muntu omu naye ate ye yamutunuulira n'akamala.
Buli kimu naki.
What are you talking about? Omwana Cindy mulala. And she's very flawless when she does it. Ochikula gambo ya rehearsinze. And I learned that when you rehearse, when you put a lot of work in rehearsals, you look flawless on stage. When I rehearsal, also we got stroke mock my miaka or 1 week. No gamba zan was so because I'm going to take our because I'm going to Katangano Kakola said the Mankola was a way batting. Ngamuga wanango mano yazina kumbe kandi
ogenda ku stage notas ina muko ku mazina
kizibu nkozi ngalwa
nogenda noyimba buyimbi
kizibu nkozi ngalwa nkubye ngasi ale ne bankuba mwakiri simba
obireka
mbireka bachi nkolako nako sheye matuga embozi saji kunyumiza jona tajingamba mu motoka olumu
tajingamba okay kaino bajingamba tujinyumize ku bantu
penayo kasheye matugalumu kati nga tuka ku show nga promoter ngamba muzizereti nonajja mubuuza nzije oba it's too late nangamba ajangu it's okay kati ninzija ntuka bulungi ku venue nangamba yingira nenyinga naggalawo gate eya venue nangamba kakati nomanyi obuze konze kimbo muzereti n'abantu bakoze ki bagenze nemugana yenze nkubuuza nti nzije nongamba kola ki jangu I would have just even pursued in the Wange. Because I had a show somewhere and just I want to see and a chimanya. Yachimanya mbuno Karole Bookings emijera baita omijera nangamba wanaba avaayo nga takuwa ne matuga ngakola ki ne mugamba nja kuyitawo nga mmaze emijera. It was agreed kati nama nangamba mbu atozze leeti abantu akoze eki bagenzi
yagamba saawa zoteekeddwa
yanga akasoma la mijera yita wano onyimbireko kati nga nekyangirako nga mugamba nga ngamba mbukati obadde omanja kamu kitundu mbukati ate ngenda kuwaayo oba 5
nga wakugamba
sina balance bo. In fact yanga watalina balance
Edibos yali yamukuwaddeko dda
yali yamumpate nga naye muyambeko buyambi era mpadde sente nga si nyingi because it was on my way back from a show so walamunoga wonokambujjeyo you get so that's why I was asking him should I still come or not so newe tanize nane tekigina kunkusa but obuzibu yangamba jangu kyokka benze nangamba mbu kati ogenda kuyimba nga wakuyimba nga sikuwadde balance kyeyangamba
kati ng'ologenda yimbira baani nga yagambedde abantu bagenze ddi
nangamba abasikadde mu bati ogenda kukola ki bayimbira nga ki nga sikuwadde balance naye because kanemugamba but we agreed we talked about manyi sire muntu natawonanga we talked about this nakugamba nyinayo shena nagamba abantu bange betanze banyizeerere nemugamba kale tugende natugenda natuuka ku stage ng'abantu bangi
ngabadde akulimba
ng'abantu bangi nga baatuze ne banninda
wakola otya
kati eri akozeko n'ekibuli awo kati nga balinga baagala okunkuba naye gala okwetala nanga tolina gy'olaga ne baggalawo gate kakati desaga aginyumya kubanga yena lubala luwanvu because we were coming for the show nange mukama abaziba abayimbi we were coming for the show emotoka yange nesika because we were rushing through shows you forgot to look at the tank yamafuta like driver yalaba mu emotoka gaweddemu kati because we were rushing mijera kudda kati nawe fo mijera emotoka yafe nesika ku kkubo kati nendeka Shaba my driver and the dancers bamukuume ku kkubo kati emotoka ya Viantendo yayitawo nemugamba ntukola ki ntwalaako so Tendo yakola ki yantwala ku show nafuna na lift nyangu wanyamba omusajja yakoze kye yantimbye angambye jangu kati ola obusungu bujjira bonna omuntu I could have stayed with my car and tweyamba ntugenda but I left my car I even took a lift to come and make sure I perform for you so ntuka bena bitukawa ye chance emotoka jasika mugenda emotoka jasika blasi yange wa Viantendo tomuyisa bwoti anyambye ko yambe kumndeta because of you akati tu akusejinga abantu bangi nga nyize kati nasoka ne nyimbo limbo osiwanga abantu basituka binyuma nenga njagala kaba
olwaki
kubanga gayi yali angita ina bantu yali bankozeke violence mu parking nankako okujja kuseri kati nga amaziga my eyes were teary
bambi
kati nenga DJ Jake Endongo nangamba ki obadde ki nengamba abantu ono gayi mumulaba yande so anoko bombo ye nembagamba seba angambye mwetemwazze mbu mwetemuliwo naye nze nyimbira abatinya abaliwo ate nga tampadde sente antu bagamba tobiyimba tobiyimba yo ate akusasule
bakuwagira naawe
tobiyimba yo ate akusasule kati gayi nibagamba mu Jake Endongo nibagamba we paid you nibamugamba if you want to give us our money mutufuluma tujagera naye if you don't want to give us back our money zimuwe kuba akoze eki ayi tumulinze if not lutalo
oli amaanyi g'abantu
amaanyi g'abantu I'd never seen myself like in that situation like newunyamu it was their reaction nayimbaga obukanyesi nebagamba neswira bulungi naye tugende wansi bagamba nti togeza n'oyimba bagamba togeza n'oyimba baganga okuwadde sente
so kati gayi yajja n'akuwa sente
yajja nga yena bwaleese yawo ne bagamba amala kumalayo
bazibale bandizibaze nozibala
ne bazibalawo ku stage gayi bayi n'agamba nemugamba singa adde wampisiza bulungi nange nandibadde nkutegeera naye ompisiza bubi wali ate nga ndi mwana ki muwala kati naye nga nkulaga amaanyi ga g'omuyimbi n'abawagizi bwe gakola ki bwe genkana. Kaakati n'akola ki tunyuze eri mu parking kati abantu bagamba tugenda kufulumya bw'atakuwa ssente tugenda kufulumya baakola ssaako
ne beekuŋŋaanya
nakola ssaako we bati nagamba ogenda tejja kukwatako ogenda yita wano
yakiki
Baga, those guys want to beat you, but they will not touch you. Because the audience here dividing but chibanda aba promoter never fani bangi. Kati bakola saako. Ne bangamba ogenda ne bantwala nga bankutte.
Ate bayite balina kye basobola kukolera.
But they were going to beat me because yalina ababanda ngola eggaali. It's called eggaali. Kati ne nali mu nkondo ne banziduse ebisimu. Nenziruka ne tubuuka ne tuvayo wasise moya ne bampa boda ne nvuga ne ntwala
paka wasanga emmotoka
bambi paka inasanga emmotoka
kuliko agasajja.
But that day was very funny. Ntuuka kuba emmotoka mbabuuza najja nti enviiri nzikutte mu bbanga nti boda empuuba
ate nga tozo zasigala mu bigere
zo zasigalamu najja ndi nti enviiri zivuddeko nzikutte mu ngalo biki twakombagana nemwe mmanyi kyenvaako njagala banyumiza ennaku yange kyenkoze eki
Joyce
amanyi bo kyebaŋŋamba tuba tusonzeemu ne mundu It was just a bad day. Ate mbowe nabaleka basaba omuntu abayambe omunyalowooza mbu babbi kati mukubayamba yabasongamu emmundu naye nga bw'abayamba like ne mugeza mutambula like anakima amafuta mbu ono tuula wano mmotoka yange nabigaa tugenda tugula amafuta naye nga mugeza agivuga mpoze bwaki emmundu baga ne bagula amafuta newafukamiza ku kkubo lwabagwira.
Can you imagine?
But when you miss them, it became a joke. It was a bad day. Anyway, it was Easter. Booking a shows in Nyingi. It was Easter. We had very many shows and but twaitako.
Anyways,
kunimizembozi namba noza shebe wedde nebo tuneyo tuvaone tugenda
otyo tukyagenda mu maaso badde nkyakugamba